विसावा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. बायोमेडिकल वेस्टा संदर्भात रिव्ह्यू मीटिंग जाली. एनजीटीन सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट आनी वेट वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंटाक कांय सुचोवण्यो दिल्ल्यो आसा. दर 15 दिसांक कलेक्टरान मुखेल अधिकाऱ्यांकडेन मॉनिटरींग मीटिंग घेवची पडटा. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Honorable NGT has given certain directions for solid waste management and liquid waste management, wet waste management also in all the areas, rural as well as urban. So every 15 days, collector takes a monitoring meeting with all the chief officers as well as with the BDOs. There is a list of directions and we have to ensure that that direction was given in the month of February itself, and within 1 year period all the local bodies had to ensure 100% door-to-door waste collection and scientific disposal of wet garbage as well as dry garbage. There are many steps involved in that. In last 5-6 months we have been holding this meeting continuously every 15 days and we have seen some progress. Each and every village has to identify garbage management site. Almost all the villages have identified those sites, and the process of setting up MRF as well as wet waste treatment biodigesters, that is also in the process. It will take some time, maybe a couple of months, but very soon we will have a network of such waste management sites in the South Goa district as well as in North Goa district also. And at the same time there is direction from Honorable High Court for management of CND waste, plastic waste, biomedical waste, etc. So I coordinate, this is the duty of collector to coordinate with all the chief officers and BDOs so that all these directions are implemented in a time bound.
So regarding the biomedical waste, in Markham any place has been identified or the mechanism?
No, we have to understand that bio-waste management is not the responsibility of state. It is the responsibility of those who generate that waste. There are certain guidelines that how biomedical waste should be handled. As a first step, we have made a list of health clinics, government hospitals, private health clinics, and we have shared that list with Pollution Control. Pollution Control Board has a scientific guideline on how to handle these wastes. There are two methods. Either you can have a plant for biomedical waste. Government of Goa is considering that proposal also.